Welcome back to another video by 12th Istik. In this video, we will be discussing about Organization of Commerce and Management of Standard 11, Chapter 1, Introduction of Commerce and Business, and in that we will be doing Role of Profit in Business. In my previous videos, I have already covered with the introduction, non-economic activities, economic activities, that is business, profession and employment, and also business objectives. So now we will be doing role of profit in business on page number 7 of your textbook. So let us begin. Role of profit in business. Every business operates with an aim to earn profit, that is the excess of revenue over cost. So whichever business it may be, the first and the main and the ultimate aim or the goal is to earn profit, to earn money. So कोई भी business होने दो, वो business का एक motive, एक main goal रहेगा, that is to earn profit, to earn money. So profit is equal to revenue minus the total cost. So the role of profit in business is divided into 8. There are total 8 roles of profit in business. The first one is returns to investors. Second, research and development. The third one is growth and expansion. Fourth one is increase efficiency. Fifth one is means of livelihood. Sixth one is reputation. The seventh one is reward for risk, and eighth one is survival. Let us go on with the first one, that is returns to investors. The people who invest money in the business expect fair returns on their capital. मतलब जो लोग अपने बिजनेस में पैसे लगाते हैं, पैसे इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, कैपिटल मनी इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, वो लोग that people should get fair returns. वो लोग को उतना returns भी मिलना चाहिए in order to cover up that capital cost. It is possible if adequate profit are earned by business. So ये कब possible होगा? ये तब possible होगा जब भी the company is earning profit, the company is earning money. The second point is research and development, that is R&D. Adequate profit enables a firm to spend more on research and development. Means a company has to spend money in the research and development. This can lead to better technology and lower cost. If the company is going on, if the company is carrying on and making the use of latest जो technologies है, then that company can earn profit. For example, we can take the example of mobile phones. जैसे हाई मेगा पिक्सल के कैमराज, रैम अगर अच्छे होते हैं तो कैमरा का क्वालिटी अगर अच्छा है, स्पीड अगर अच्छा है. नाउ 5G is also coming, 6G will also come. So this is called as the better technology. Innovative product benefits the whole nation. So अगर प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ही इनोवेटिव है, अगर प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ही डिफरेंट है, क्रिएटिव है, देन इट विल ऑल्सो लीड to the benefit of the nation. Nation will also be benefited in the economic point of view. Then we have the C, that is the third one is growth and expansion. Retention of profit is the internal source of funds. This profit can be used for increasing the volume of business through expansion and diversification. So अगर एक बिजनेस, अगर एक कंपनी को इफ दे आर गेटिंग ह्यूज प्रॉफिट, इफ दे आर गेटिंग ह्यूज मनी, देन दे कैन एक्सपांड द बिजनेस. फिर वो बिजनेस को एक्सपांड भी करेंगे एंड दे विल इंक्रीज देयर ब्रांचेस ऑल्सो. The portion of the profit is reinvested in the business for further development. Also, that money or that profit they are getting, they will also keep on investing in order to grow. उनके बिजनेस को ग्रो और भी ज़्यादा एक्सपैंड करने के लिए. देन द डी पॉइंट इज इंक्रीजेस एफिशिएंसी. Profits facilitate payment of various dues in time. It also motivates the employees working in the organization. So जो वर्कर्स, जो मैनेजर्स, जो एम्प्लॉयज़ काम कर रहे हैं इन द बिजनेस, इट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प टू मोटिवेट. अगर वो लोग को इंसेंटिव्स, अगर वो लोग को बोनस देंगे, सो दैट एम्प्लॉयज़, दैट वर्कर्स विल ऑल्सो बी मोटिवेटेड एंड डेडिकेटेड टूवर्ड्स द कंपनी. This finally leads to the increase in overall efficiency of the organization. So अगर वर्कर्स, मैनेजर्स, एम्प्लॉयज़ भी खुश है वो कंपनी में, देन दैट कंपनीज जो है, दैट कंपनी विल ग्रो मोर फास्ट एंड विल अचीव सक्सेस एंड प्रॉफिट इन अ मोर बेटर मैनर. देन द E1 is means of livelihood. Businessmen earn profit which is their means of livelihood. अभी बिजनेसमैन प्रॉफिट कमाते हैं वो लोग खुद के लिए, दैट इज इट विल बी देयर मीन्स ऑफ लाइवलीहुड. बाय अर्निंग सफिशिएंट प्रॉफिट दे कैन लिव अ डिसेंट स्टैंडर्ड लाइफ थ्रू सेटिस्फैक्शन ऑफ वेरियस वांट्स. सो अगर वो लोग को उनका टारगेटेड प्रॉफिट, उनका जितना वो लोग ने टारगेट किया है, कितना प्रॉफिट मिलना चाहिए, इतना पैसा मिलना चाहिए, सो इफ़ दे आर गेटिंग दैट, देन दे विल ऑल्सो लिव अ हाई स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग. एंड the next we have the fifth one is reward for risk. Profit is considered as reward for assuming several business risks. अगर ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट कमाना है, सो वी हैव टू टेक रिस्क. ईच एंड एवरी कंपनी और बिजनेस को रिस्क लेना ज़रूरी ही होता है. सो प्रॉफिट्स ऑल्सो सर्व एज अ प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट दोज रिस्क विच कैन नॉट बी इंश्योर्ड. For example, fall in demand, adverse government policies, etc. So, the example of risk can be कि customers के demand ही fall हो गए, government के जो policies है, जो terms and conditions है, वो बदल गए. So, this can be or this can act as a risk factor for a company and for a business. Here also we can take the example of an Apple phone which is very expensive. So जो common लोग हैं, जो middle men लोग हैं, वो afford नहीं कर पाते. So this can lead to a fall in demand. Also we can take the example of जो बड़े बड़े films है तो वो flop हो जाती है. So this is called as a risk. Then turn to the next page, page number 8. We have the last point, that is survival, the G point. It helps the business to continue to exist in the market. So survival एक ऐसी important चीज़ है जो market, जो competition में वो बनाए रखती है to that company or that business. If the businessman does not make enough profit, it will not survive in the growing competitive environment. So अगर एक business, अगर एक company इतना प्रॉफिट, उसको इतना पैसा नहीं कमाती है, तो वो जो कंपनी है या फिर वो जो बिजनेस है वो दूसरे कॉम्पिटिटिव एनवायरनमेंट में वो सर्वाइव नहीं हो जाएगा और वो जो कंपनी है, वो जो बिजनेस है, वो बंद पड़ जाएगी. प्रॉफिट मीन्स सर्वाइवल इन कॉम्पिटिटिव एनवायरनमेंट. सो अगर एक कंपनी, अगर एक बिजनेस को दूसरे कॉम्पिटिटिव एनवायरनमेंट के साथ अगर बनाए रहना है, देन सर्वाइवल इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो survival is the most important in order for the business to stand in that competitive environment. So for this also जो latest technologies है, innovative ideas, creative ideas, that is very important and it plays a very important role. So this is it with the today's video, that is role of profit in business. Stay tuned for my next video on 12th ISTIC. Soon we will be back. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. If you haven't liked, shared, comment and subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you. Bye-bye.